Welcome my dear students in Prep2. Let's continue our first algebra lesson about the cube root of a rational number. Today we will solve some exercises on the cube root. The first exercise here, put in the simplest form each of the following. We have some cube roots. If we have a power under the cube root, I'll divide this power by 3. Let's start with the first one. The cube root of x to the power 3. It means I'll divide 3 divided by 3 equal 1. So the result will be x to the power 1 or x. The second one, the cube root of 27, a to the power 6. The cube root of 27 we know is 3. A to the power 6, I'll divide 6 by 3, which is 2. So 3a to the power 2. The last one here, we have 125. We all know that the cube root of 125 is 5, and we have y and x. The power here is 12. Y to the power 12. As I said before, I'll divide by 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4, so y to the power 4, and x to the power 9 will be here 9 divided by 3 equal 3, so x to the power 3. Okay, let's take another exercise. Solve each of the following equations in Q. 40x to the power 3 minus 1 equal negative 136. We will follow the steps of solving equations. The first step here, we will remove negative 1 by moving it to the right hand side with a positive sign. So it will be negative 136 plus 1, which is negative 135. Now it's turn to divide by 40 both sides. So x to the power 3 will be negative 135 over 40. By dividing by 5, it will be 27 over 8. So x to the power 3 equals negative 27 over 8. Now I want x. I don't want x to the power 3. I want x only. So I'll take the cube root for both sides to get negative 3 over 2. The cube root of negative 27 is negative 3, and the cube root of 8 is 2. So the result is negative 3 over 2. Another exercise, solve each of the following also. Okay. At first, I'll move negative 2 to the right hand side with a positive sign. It will be positive 6. So 5x minus 3 all power 3 equals 8. Now it's time to take the cube root for both sides. So I'll divide this power by 3 to become 1. So 5x minus 3 equal cubic root of 8. What is the cubic root of 8? Yes, 2. So 5x minus 3 equals 2. Now it's time to move negative 3 to the right hand side with a positive sign. So 5x equal 5. What can we do now? I want x not 5 by x or not 5 times x. So I'll divide by 5 both sides. So x equal 1. Let's take another exercise. Some applications on the cube root. I want you to remember that the cube, the edge length here in this cube, all edge lengths are equal. We studied before the volume of the cube. It was edge length by itself It means edge length to the power 3. Also the area of one face, the edge length by itself. The lateral area 4 times the area of one face, and the total area was 6 times the area of one face. Okay, here we have an exercise. Find the length of the inner edge of a vessel in the shape of a cube with capacity 27 liters. The capacity of 27 liters. Okay, we have the capacity. It's the same as the volume. The capacity 27 liters means 27 decimeter cube. Okay, so the volume is 27 decimeter cube. It means L power 3. We said before the volume is Edge length by itself, it means edge length power 3. Edge length here is L. Okay, so L to the power 3 equals 27. How can you find L? Take the cube root for both sides, so L equal cube root of 27, which is 3 decimeter. We can convert it into centimeters, equal 30 centimeters. Okay, so here the edge length equals 30 centimeters. One more exercise. Find the length of the diameter of a sphere of the volume 36 pi. Okay, and it's given that the volume of the sphere equal 4 over 3 pi r to the power 3. Let's write that the volume of a sphere V equals 4 over 3 pi r to the power 3. This is the volume of any sphere. Here the volume of our sphere here is 36 pi. I write here 36 pi. So 36 pi equal 4 over 3 pi r to the power 3. We can notice that we have pi here and pi here. So divide by pi. Okay, now we have a new equation. 4 over 3 r to the power 3 equals 36. I want r power 3, so I'll divide by 4 over 3 or multiply by 3 over 4. So r to the power 3 will be 27. This is r to the power 3. I don't want r to the power 3, I want r only. So I'll take the cube root. R equals 3. This is the radius, but here I want the diameter. Find the length of diameter. So I'll multiply by 2. 2 times 3 equals 6 centimeters. Okay. I hope you have understood our session today. Thank you very much for watching. Next session, we will start lesson 2, a set of irrational numbers. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.